21 Questions is a game for people to get to know each other better. It can be played either in a group or with just two people. If the game is being played in a group, a target volunteers or is selected. Then the target is asked a total of 21 questions and must answer them honestly. Other group members usually take turns asking the target questions. Depending on the context, questions can be simple get-to-know-you questions like, what is your favorite ice cream and why? Or more probing questions like, what's a secret you've never told anyone? If the target chooses to pass on a question, they can be asked a new question. In some versions, passing means the target also forfeits their chance to ask the next target a question. Once the target has answered 21 questions, they are finished and a new target has to answer 21 questions. If the game is being played by only two people, they can alternate asking each other questions until they've each answered 21 questions. This is great for new romantic partners as they can learn about each other's families, backgrounds, and past romances. No matter who you play with, just make sure that everyone is having a good time and to stay respectful if somebody says a certain topic is off limits.